How to fix unable to access Bing Chat on PC. First, we need to open Microsoft Edge to be able to access Bing Chat, as this feature is not yet available for other browsers. So type in bing.com, click on chat, and this window will pop up. You might see this chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing. If this is the case, then join the waitlist, and after waiting for a few days, you will have access to Bing Chat. This is what it looks like once you have access to the Bing Chat. Next thing to make sure is that the account you are using is one with the access already. Next, make sure that all of your VPN are turned off, as Bing Chat is restricted for some regions as of now. And lastly, clear your browser's cache. Click here on the three dots, navigate to Cookies and Site Permissions, manage and delete cookies and site data, and then tap on See All. In the search engine, type in bing.com and proceed to clear all cookies and data. Now, if after all of these steps, your Bing chat is still not working, just wait and use the chat after a couple of hours. In some cases, high traffic and server issues can cause Bing chat problems where you won't be able to use it for a couple of hours. So that is how you fix unable to access Bing chat on PC. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.